Australia's weather is no joke. Cyclones, tornadoes, storms. Extreme weather is getting worse, and windows are our first line of defense. But what's scarier than the weather is the substandard windows flooding the market. 7 out of 8 imported windows recently failed Australian standards. Water leaks, frame distortion, doors falling off their tracks. Hume has been in Australia for over 40 years. We believe these failures could have been avoided. So how to choose? 3 hard indicators. First, profile wall thickness. This determines wind load resistance, as 2047 requires a minimum wall thickness of 1.4 mm and 1.6 mm or more in certain regions. Too thin? A strong gust leaves them shaking. Wind load resistance is virtually zero. Second, glass configuration. This determines resistance to wind pressure. Large windows like 3-meter floor-to-ceiling glass must use 10 mm or thicker tempered glass. The National Construction Code clearly states, unframed doors require a minimum of 10 mm safety glass. Too thin? It shatters in minutes under severe storms. Third, rubber strip sealing. These determine water tightness and air tightness. In AS2047 testing, water and air leaks almost always come down to insufficient gasket compression. Quality EPDM rubber strip, the tighter they compress, the better the seal. Poor seals leads to air and rain leakage, high energy bills, condensation, and mold. Profile wall thickness, glass configuration, rubber strip sealing. Get these 3 right, and wind load resistance, water tightness, and air tightness are all secured. These are windows that can handle Australia's wild weather. Choosing Hume means reliable configuration and craftsmanship, solid warranties, full traceability, products proven across countless major projects. Need windows and doors? Call Hume.